Hey there, how's it going? My name's James from Portant, and we have an awesome update to share with you today. We can now capture information at the signing step and send that information back into HubSpot. So if you've got an e-signature workflow where you're generating a customized sales contract, for example, and then requesting it to be signed, you can also request that the client signs that document and enters some information. So what we're going to do is capture some delivery details. We have the signature stuff here, and then below we're going to capture the street address, city, zip code, but this can be any information really. So I've still to add the country. So if we scroll down on the right-hand side here, you can see there's a few more options underneath the first recipient. We have this section called HubSpot Capture Fields, where we're capturing the city, postcode, street address, but we're still to add the country information. So you can add any HubSpot field or capture any HubSpot field from the primary object, which in this example is deals, or from the contact. So I'm going to use the contact just because those properties already exist on the contact, and add in country. And then I see this property called country/region, select it and save. Now you can see that that's been added to this table. And then we have a few options. So you can add a placeholder field. So you can say, please add your country. And then you can also make this a required field. So it will have that little red asterisk on the input. And then when I'm ready to add that field into the document, I just click copy, put my cursor in the document, and then paste it in. Now, each one of these tags, which are in these square brackets, are going to be replaced with input fields. Now, I'll show you how it looks on one of our test deals. I can just copy the signature request link and paste it in. So it can review all this information and then go down, add my signature and agree to that. And then I've got the fields where I can add the street address. And you can see that the country has got that star in it. So I have to add that bit for this to be all submitted. And then agree, and that submits the form. Now that information will go back on my contact record. We're back in the deal now. And if I refresh this, you can see that it's now being completed, which means that we have a whole bunch of custom properties, which have all been updated here. The document status has gone to signed. And then the most important bit is if I open up my contact record, I can see if I go view all properties, the city is updated and the country has been updated. And that's it. Let us know what you think. And if you've got any questions, just reach out and we'd be more than happy to answer them. All right. Thank you. Bye.